In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple pictures on one page in Windows 10 and 11. By the end, you'll know the quickest built-in way to lay out several photos on a single sheet without extra software, plus a few simple options to get the results you expect. First, gather the photos you want to print into a single folder so they're easy to select. Open File Explorer and navigate to that folder. Select the images you want to include. You can hold down the Control key to click specific photos one by one, or use Shift to select a range. Make sure your printer is installed and turned on before you continue. With your photos selected, right-click on any one of them and choose Print. This opens the Classic Print Pictures window. At the top, choose your printer from the drop-down. If you want to test the layout before using paper and ink, you can pick Microsoft Print to PDF to generate a PDF proof first. Next, set your paper size and quality. Match the paper size to what's actually in your printer, such as letter or A4. For photo paper, pick the appropriate paper type if your printer offers it, and choose a higher quality setting for sharper results. On the right, you'll see layout templates that determine how many images appear on a page and how they're arranged. Options like Wallet, 4x6, 5x7, and Contact Sheet place multiple photos per page automatically. Click through these to preview how your selection will fit. If parts of your photos look cropped in the preview, uncheck Fit Picture to Frame, so Windows won't trim edges to fill the box. If your printer supports borderless printing and you're using photo paper designed for it, enabling borderless can remove white margins, but be prepared for slight edge expansion. Adjust. Copies of each picture if you need duplicates of the same images within the layout. You can also click Options or Printer Properties for advanced settings like color management, paper source, or borderless mode, depending on your printer model. Take a moment to review orientation. If your photos are sideways, rotate them in File Explorer before opening the print window, or close the window. Rotate and reopen so the preview refreshes. For the best clarity, start with high-resolution images. Low-resolution files may look soft when reduced and tiled. When everything looks right in the preview, click Print. If you created a PDF proof, open it to confirm alignment and spacing, then repeat the process and select your physical printer. That's it. With this built-in Windows Print dialog, you can quickly place multiple photos on one page, control cropping, and get clean, predictable layouts without extra tools.